Hi, this is the food guide pyramid. I really like how this food guide pyramid is set up. Um, First, it starts off just showing you what the general food guide pyramid is and the different groups. So, like this group is the fats, oils, and sweets group. This is the meat, poultry, and seafood group. This is the milk and dairy group, vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Then it breaks down into each group and it tells specifically like different foods that fall under grains, and it asks you to circle the foods that are part of the grain group. So that would be bread, rice, this bread, and that's it because, and this. The rest belong in other food groups. And it also tells you under each group how many servings you need. So like here, it's asking you to break down the fruits and the vegetables. So the grapes would go in the fruit, the strawberries would go in the fruit, the oranges would go in the fruit, the watermelon would go in the fruit, and the banana would go in the fruit. And then here again, it tells you how many servings you need daily, just like with the vegetable group. Let me change my pen. So the vegetable group would be the broccoli, the corn, and carrots, potato. Then we go to the protein group, and it says put an X on all of the food items that belong in the protein group. So that would be this, 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 and this, and the peanut. And here again it points out that you need 2 to 4 servings of proteins a day. Then we go to the dairy group, and then here it says there's 2 to 3 servings a day in the dairy group. And it says which foods belong in the dairy group. That would be the milk, the yogurt, and the cheese. Cows, dairy comes from cows, and it says draw the line from each dairy item to the cow. So that's the point of the cow being in here. Alright, the fats and sweets group. Which foods belong in the fats and sweets group? Put an X on all the fats and sweets. So that would be the cake, the candy, the chocolate, the cotton candy, and the butter. And this, as you can see, it says eat sparingly, which means very little. Healthy foods versus unhealthy foods. What are some of the healthy foods? So we have to put the healthy foods in a column and the unhealthy foods in the column. So peas would go in the healthy column, strawberries, milk, chicken, corn, and a roll, and the chocolate, candy, the lollipop, and the butter all go in the unhealthy column. And remember, you shouldn't eat these foods very much, if at all. So that's all for the lesson. I really like this prompt about the food guide pyramid and the healthy foods and unhealthy foods. It's very informational, along with being very interactive for the students. So there's really not anything that I think I would change about it.